Alright guys, welcome back. In today's session, we are going to cover dictionaries in Python. Dictionaries are powerful data structures that allow you to store and retrieve data using key value pairs. This chapter will guide you through the creation, manipulation, and versatile applications of Python dictionaries. Alright, let's look at the example. Okay, let's create. Okay, and this is how you create a dictionary. Let's say Bob 90, Charlie 80, Peter 75, David 79. All right, now let's print out student grades. Let's see. All right, so you can see this is our dictionary. We got the output here. Yeah, so this is how we create dictionaries in Python. Now, if you want to call like call an element, right? If you want to access an element from a dictionary, you can just call it like, okay, okay, we're getting the grades of Bob. Likewise, we can call Peter, we're getting the value of Peter, right? So this is how we access item in an dictionary. Now, in order to change the value, in order to do modification, okay, we just call it, let's say Bob. Okay, let's give it a value. Let's say 75 or let's say 70. And now if I print it, okay, as you can see, grades of Bob has been changed. So this is how we modify value in dictionary, right? Also, we can add new item in a dictionary. Okay, so let's say student grades. We can call it Alice. Let's say 70. Okay, let's say 89 or 83. Now, if I print it, okay, as you can see, Alice has been added to the dictionary as well, right? Now, also we have option to remove, right? Remove an item from the list or from the dictionary. Okay, let's see how to do it. Let's call it del student grades. Just, call the value. Okay, let's say David. Okay, now if I print it, okay, as you can see, David has been removed from this list, right? So this is how we can remove an element from the dictionary. All right, guys, dictionaries in Python provide a flexible and efficient way to manage data. With their key value structure, dictionaries are a valuable asset for various programming tasks. Alright guys, see you in the next chapter where we will explore more Python features and enhance our coding skills. Alright, till then take care and stay happy. Bye bye.